Hello children, welcome you all again in my science class. Dear students, today we will start a new chapter of science. That is lesson number 2 and the name of the chapter is the teeth. So let's start with the introduction. We have learned about the importance of food in the previous chapter and now you are knowing very well that why the food is so important. When the food will get digested only, then we will able to get the energy. And this digestion process is starting in the mouth and this task is started with the teeth because we are having the teeth in our mouth. So this is the first work of the teeth, that teeth help in biting and chewing the food. Another few functions are also there related to the teeth. That is, the teeth gives shape to our face. Teeth हमारे फेस को शेप देता है and help us in speaking. So keep your teeth healthy for getting a smart look. There are two sets of teeth in the human. When a child take birth, not have any teeth in the mouth, but slowly जब वो बढ़ता है कुछ मंथ्स के बाद उसके माउथ में टीथ आते हैं, बट वो भी परमानेंट नहीं होते. आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर्स इट स्टार्ट फॉलिंग, ये गिरना शुरू होते हैं और उसकी जगह एक नया टीथ का सेट आता है. इट मीन्स वी आर हैविंग ओवरऑल टू सेट्स ऑफ टीथ. फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ इज नोन एज द टेम्पोररी टीथ. Most children starts developing teeth between the 6 to 10 months of the age. इसी को temporary teeth कहते हैं. Another name for temporary teeth is the milk teeth. दूध के दांत भी इसी का नाम है. By the age of 3 years, they usually have about 20 teeth in their mouth. और जब बेबी बड़ा होके 3 साल का होता है तो उसके माउथ में नियरली 20 टीथ होते हैं जो कि धीरे धीरे फॉल होते हैं. So another set of teeth is permanent teeth. In 6 to 12 years, the milk teeth start falling out one by one. These teeth are replaced by a set of bigger teeth called the permanent teeth. तो जो न्यू टीथ निकलते हैं उसे परमानेंट टीथ कहते हैं और इनकी साइज टेम्पोररी टीथ से थोड़ी बड़ी होती है. बाय द एज ऑफ 12 to 14 years, और जब आप 12 से 14 ईयर्स के होते हैं तो आपके माउथ में यूजुअली 28 टीथ होते हैं. बट यू आर नोइंग कि फाइनली 32 टीथ होते हैं. तो जो 4 टीथ रिमेन है वो लेट में आता है. बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 20 to 25 ईयर्स दे डेवलप 4 मोर टीथ कॉल्ड एज द विजडम टीथ. तो जो ये 4 टीथ बाद में आते हैं इनका दूसरा नाम अकल का दांत भी है. Now we will study that how many types of teeth are there. So there are overall 4 types of teeth in human. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now we will study one by one about them. So the first type of teeth which are present in our mouth is known as the incisors. Incisors are also known as the cutting teeth. They are present in the front. हम जैसे ही अपना लिप्स ओपन करते हैं सबसे आगे सेंटर में जो टीथ दिखाई देता है दैट इज नोन एज इंसीजर. देयर आर 4 इंसीजर्स इन ईच jaw. We are having 2 jaws, upper jaws and lower jaws. In upper jaw 4 incisors are present and in lower jaw also 4 incisors are present. You can see its position by the picture. Teeth number 1 and teeth number 2 are incisor. In right side also 2 incisors are present. So in each jaw 4 incisors are present and in your mouth overall 8 incisors are present. These teeth are flat and have a sharp edge. They are used for cutting and biting the food. The next type of teeth which are present in our mouth is canines. They are also known as the tearing teeth. They are present one on each side of the incisor. हमारे मुंह में जहां इंसीजर होता है उसी के जस्ट साइड में कैनाइन्स होते हैं. दोनों साइड के इंसीजर के बगल में 1 कैनाइन होता है. सो वी आर हैविंग 2 कैनाइन टीथ इन आवर ईच jaw. Overall we are having 4 canines. These teeth are long and pointed. They are used for grasping and tearing the food. Grasping means पकड़ने में हेल्प करता है. The next type of teeth are premolars, also known as the cracking teeth. There are 4 premolars present in each jaw. It means in your mouth you are having 8 premolars. See its position by the picture. Teeth number 4 and 5 are the premolar in this picture, but 4 and 5 is only the one side. Another side also it have the two teeth. So overall 4 premolars in each jaw. Total 8 premolars are there. They are brought with a flat surface to crush the food. The next and last type of teeth are molars. They are also known as the grinding teeth. Grinding means piece dena. Final work of chewing is done by the molars. There are 6 molars present in each jaw. See in the picture, teeth number 6, 7 and 8 are showing the molars. It is in one side. So in another side also there will be the teeth number 6, 7 and 8. So in a single jaw we are having 6 molars. So in our mouth we are having overall 12 molars. हमारे मुंह में सबसे पीछे के जो दांत होते हैं वो मोलर्स होते हैं. They are big, flat and have a broad upper surface. You can see in the picture कि ऊपर से ये काफी broad है और flat है. They are used for chewing and grinding the food. So human have 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars in the mouth. So you can say that an adult human have total 32 teeth in the mouth. Children have only 3 types of teeth. They do not have the premolars. The type of teeth that they have are follow. Incisors, 4 in each jaw, canines, 2 in each jaw, and molars, 4 in each jaw. Actually, this time I am talking about the set of temporary teeth. I was told you that there is overall nearly 20 teeth. And if you will add these all, then 8 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 20. So children have the 20 teeth in the set of temporary teeth. See this picture. The first set of teeth is showing the temporary teeth and the second set of teeth is showing the permanent teeth. In this picture, you can see the colorful teeth. The different type of teeth are showing the different colors. In this picture, green color is showing the incisor, red color is showing the canines, yellow color is showing premolars and blue color is showing molars. So you can see the difference. The number of incisor and canines are same in the set of temporary as well as in permanent teeth. But if you will see the yellow color teeth, premolar, it is missing in the temporary teeth. If we will talk about the molars, in temporary set of teeth, there are only 4 molars, but in permanent teeth, there are 6 molars in each jaw. So children, I think now you can understand what are the difference between the temporary teeth and permanent teeth and how many types of teeth you are having in your mouth. Today you have to check the number of teeth in your mouth. You have to check it also in your younger brother and sister, and you also have to check it in your parents' mouth. So children, it is enough for today. Thank you.